Hello students, today we are going to learn subtraction. Okay, how to do subtraction. So we are starting with a question that it is written like 2 minus 1. Okay, this is a sign of subtraction, or we can call it a minus sign. Okay, so here it is written 2 minus 1. So you have to make two lines, okay, in front of upper one. So here you can see it is written 2. You just have two lines. Now here it is written 1. So you have to cut one line. Okay. Now how many lines are remaining? Only 1. Okay. So this is our answer. 1 is our answer. Next question. Next I am doing 3 minus 1. Okay, again you have to repeat the like you have to make 3 lines like this, and now here it is written 1, so you have to cut one line. How many lines are remaining? Only 2. 1, 2. So the answer will be 2. Next I am giving you another question, that is 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? Now what will you do? You will draw 5 lines in front of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to cut the lines. How many lines you have to cut? Here it is 2. So you have to cut 2 lines. Like 1, 2. How many lines are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines are remaining. Next I am giving you another question, that is 6 minus 4. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to draw 6 lines in front of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have to cut 4 lines. Because here it is given 4. So we are cutting 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 1 and 2. So you have to draw. So the answer is 2. Okay, got it? Next question I am giving you 7 minus 3. Okay. Now what do you have to do? You have to make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And it's time to cut the lines. You have to cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 4 lines are left. So you have to. So the answer is 4. Okay. Next I am giving you some of the questions. Here I am giving you 8 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Again you just have to repeat the steps which we have already done. So in front of 8 you have to make 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many lines you have to cut? What is it? It is written here 4. So you have to cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 4. Next is 4 minus 4. So what we have to do? We just have to draw 4 lines in front of 4. Upper one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines you have to cut? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 0. There is no line. Okay. So the answer will be 0. Next is 5 minus 4. What will you do? You have to make 5 lines in front of 4. Sorry, in front of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many lines you have to cut? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? Only one line is left. Okay. So the answer will be 1. Okay. That's it for today, guys.